Oh, finally, weekends. What are we gonna do today? I mean, like, it's so boring. We have nothing to do. Maybe we could play outside. No way. It's burning outside. Grace, do you have any idea? I don't know about you guys, but I'm just gonna bake today. Do you guys want to join? Sure. I would love to join. When does it start? Wait, guys. How about we start right now? I think it'll work if we just go ahead and bake. It would be really fun to do that, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go, but we need to be careful. I just curl my hair. It's perfect. Don't let it get ruined. No need to be worried. I mean, it will be fine. Just be careful. Okay, come on, let's go. So, how do you do this, Grace? Well, you just bake. Here's the material, and here's the machine and everything. I think we're ready. Hey, come on, guys. Let's go. I don't feel like baking. Can you guys just go ahead and bake? I'm just gonna watch here. Is that fine? Oh, sure, of course. Let's get started. Come on, Olivia. Sorry, guys, we're late. Let's get started. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna bake a muffin or a cupcake. It depends on you guys. I feel like cupcake. Is that fine with you guys? Of course, let's go. Okay, that'll be really fun. Can I taste some after you can speak it? Of course, sure.